Hello guys, welcome to Supreme Steno classes. Now I am going to dictate a passage from Supreme Court cases which is especially for Haryana and Punjab High Court and for MP High Court too. So be ready guys. 5 seconds. Law point. A scope of jurisdiction under Article 136 of the Constitution of India. Facts. The trade union of Siemens Limited, a public limited company engaged in the business of manufacturing switchboard, switch gears, etc., alleged that the management of the company by a notification tried to change the condition of service in violation of Section 9A of the Industrial Disputes Act 1947 and thereby causing unfair labor practice. The Industrial Court, and in appeal, the single judge of the Bombay High Court and then the division bench of the Bombay High Court held that there was unfair labor practice. Aggrieved thereby, the company preferred an appeal before the Supreme Court. The trade union urged that normally the Supreme Court does not interfere with concurrent findings and, therefore, should not interfere with the concurrent finding in the instant case. Decision. Although the Supreme Court normally does not upset a concurrent finding, but there is no such inflexible rule. The jurisdiction of the Supreme Court under Article 136 is a special jurisdiction. This is a jurisdiction conferring residual power on this court to do justice and is to be exercised solely on discretion to be used by this court to advance the cause of justice. This article does not confer any right of appeal on any litigant, but it simply clothes the Supreme Court with discretion which is to be exercised in an appropriate case for ends of justice. Therefore, there can be no hard and fast rule in the exercise of this jurisdiction. Just because the findings which are assailed in a special leave petition are concurrent cannot debar this court from exercising its jurisdiction if the demand of justice require its interference. In a case where the court finds that concurrent finding is based on patently erroneous appreciation of basic issue involved in an adjudication, the court may interfere. फुल स्टॉप. तो गाइज इसमें मैंने कॉमा बोला है लेकिन फुल स्टॉप नहीं बोला है. मैं एक ही आपको डिक्टेशन में दो तरीके का दिया हूँ जहाँ पे मैंने पॉज भी लिया है फुल स्टॉप के लिए और जहाँ कॉमा था वहाँ मैंने कॉमा बोला भी है. तो आप लोग ध्यान से लिखिएगा और अपने आप को धोखा मत दीजिएगा. अच्छे से एरर मिलाइए, अच्छे से इसका ट्रांसक्रिप्शन कीजिए और जाके एग्ज़ाम में अपना बेस्ट दीजिए. थैंक यू.